Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see that if you want to add the comments or suggestions in the Google Docs, how we can easily do this. So let's get started. So for example, I want to make a suggestion here. I want to change the executive summary of the company. Let's say I want to add this heading and I want to add this suggestion basically. So I want the other person to add that. So what you can do is just go to the editing on the right hand corner on the Google Docs, and from here just click on suggesting and right here for the company. So what it will do is it will highlight the changes I made to the existing document and the other person can accept or reject it. So for example, I am the checker and someone has made some suggestions and the final outcome has come to me, so I can either accept it or reject it. So if we reject it, it will be deleted. Otherwise, if we accept it, it will be entered and become the part of the document. So if we do nothing here, it will be highlighted as a suggestion in some other color. Now similarly, if I want to add a comment, so all you have to do is just highlight the text that you want to comment on and just right click here and click on add a comment. You can also use the short key of Control Alt and M. So just click here and just add your comments right here and just click on comment. So it will be highlighted with a different color. So whenever a person clicks on it, it will be highlighted right away on the right hand side. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, hit the like buttons and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos, and I will see you in the next one.